Yo, what's up boys, it's Beer back with a brand new video on our channel, and today, as you guys can tell by the title, we are making a thumbnail. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a thumbnail without Photoshop, or PS if you guys don't know Photoshop. A lot of pros use it, pro YouTubers, the editors, thumbnail designers, they all make it, but we are going to look for, the first thing you guys want to look up is Pixlr E, and then you press search. You guys gotta make sure it's E though, and then Pixlr X might show up, but make sure it's not Pixlr X. Click on Pixlr E, and then you want to press create new, 1280 by 720, create. Then you have this. This is the thumbnail size, so you guys want this size. And then the next thing you guys want to do is get your pictures or like anything you guys really want to. So my goal is to my goal for here is to probably make it like a 1,000 subscriber thing. So I'm gonna change this really quickly to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it at 1,000 subscribers, and I'm probably gonna zoom it in a little bit because this is what you guys really want to do. You guys want to make sure you guys are zooming it in quite a bit. So once you guys have this zoomed in, you guys want to press print screen. It should be on your keyboard. It should say like PSC, PC, something like that, and it's on your keyboard. It's like right next to scroll lock and print screen. I mean, it's right next to pause break, scroll lock, INS, and it's right above INS, and it's print screen. And then you guys want to click that. It prints the screen, or like copies it. So then you guys go here, press edit, paste, and there you go. You got that. And then the next thing I'm gonna want to do is I'm gonna press on the picker tool. Anything that you guys don't want, I'm gonna click on this color. I'm gonna go here to the brush. I'm gonna increase the size a little, and then I'm just gonna fix this up because I don't want this here. It's gonna be in my way when I'm trying to edit the thumbnail later. You guys can move it around a little wherever you guys feel comfortable where it's at, and I feel comfortable like probably like right, maybe move it up a little, probably right here. And once you have it like right here, you guys want to click on the lasso select. Then you guys want to go to polygon. Then you guys want to draw a circle around whatever you guys want. You guys can zoom in if you want. I don't really zoom in. I just keep it like this. This Pixlr is really good for doing this because it usually just auto corrects to it, unlike any other types of apps for trying to do this. And then once we have this, which should be like right there, I'm gonna go, hopefully this doesn't end up bad. Sometimes it doesn't connect at the end, but sometimes you just gotta go back up, and sometimes it will connect, sometimes it won't, but for some reason it's not connecting. Come on, bro, I just messed up. Okay, but you guys are gonna want to do this. Circle around here. Circle right back around there. Just like this. You guys can take it slow, go fast. I usually go fast because I'm good at doing this now. And then it might not be perfect, but then you guys want to cut it out. And then you guys might want to delete that. Then you want to paste it. You have this. Mine actually looks very sloppy, but I think it's okay if I can maybe center it like that. You guys can move it at the top. The thing I don't like is that you can't just move it to the right or something, or stretch it out. It's kind of stupid for this. But then once you have it like that, you guys, however you guys like it, once you guys have it, however you like it, you guys want to grab some photos. So I'm gonna be right back and I'm gonna grab some photos. So you guys usually want to look up PNGs of stuff. It's usually the easiest option to get things, or you guys can cut out things like how I said before. but I added this in Miami thing. And then if you guys want to add a layer, you have to press layer, add image as layer, and then get your thing, and then it's right here. Okay, so I finished the cutout, and now I'm probably gonna fix this up. Make this go behind it, and then I need it to like, let's see, I'm gonna lock this in so I could move around this one. And I kind of need it to like scope in. So the good thing about this is that we can move this one to be a lot bigger. But that's why I don't really like it the most, because it won't stretch. Like, I don't know if we should need it like the full screen. We have it just like this for now. I'm gonna lock this in. Move this up like right here.
Let's go.
Like right there. Actually, probably right there. I'm gonna let them see it clearly. And then the next thing I'm probably gonna do is I want to lighten this up. So you guys want to go to whichever one you're gonna use. Let's go for the sniper scope first. I'm gonna press adjustment, hue and saturation, saturate it all the way up. And then you guys can do it again if you guys want. I just do it just a little bit again, and then leave that. Do it with another item. Saturate it. Probably gonna saturate this to like 50 this time. Oops. Saturation, saturate. And then you guys want to go to the background. The background, like the main background. You guys want to, shoot. You guys want to fill adjustments, hue and saturation, saturate it. You guys want to saturate it until you think it looks pretty good. Like I think that looks pretty good. And then we're gonna leave it there for a second. We're gonna lock this. I might move this down a little bit again. And then we got it there. And then in the background, you guys want to press filter, go to details, just hover over it, don't press it, and go to blur. And you guys can blur it out a little. And you guys want to make sure it blurs so this part stays out, or stood out. Studs out. I don't know how to the grammar for that, but yeah. And then you guys want to get another picture, I guess. I'm gonna choose this one, Beetlejuice. I'm probably gonna have two pictures, one on the other side, one on this side, and then one on another. I'm gonna put Beetlejuice in front. No, actually, I'm probably just gonna have one right here. He might just be flexing right here. Just a little bit of flex. Right there. We're gonna cut him out really quickly. Just make sure you guys are being careful when you guys are cutting out, because once you guys cut these out, and also I can never finish what I'm saying, because then I just forget what I'm saying when something else appears on my mind. But you guys, if you guys mess up something, you guys can, in history, if you guys press it, then it brings you guys all the way back to where you guys were before, which is super good. And you guys can go back again if you guys need to. It's one of the, honestly, the best things inside this program, I feel like. And this Beetlejuice is almost done. We might add some text if you guys want to. Like, I might. But you guys want to always make sure the text isn't like the whole title, because it can really mess it up and people might not want to click on it because how much text there is. You guys just want to make the text like a short abbreviation of the title. Once we have that done, you want to cut, click out, go back here, paste, now it's here. And we're going to do the exact same thing for Beetlejuice. We're gonna, hold on, let's put him up top of here. Wait, let's put this, unlock this, on top of Beetlejuice. So it looks a lot better. And then we want to adjustment, hue and saturation, saturate it. And then you guys can saturate it. you guys can like leave it all up to the color. I'm just gonna saturate from there. And then if you guys want to, you guys can add some things. But let's see, I'm just gonna add a text. I don't think it's gonna look that good, but I'm gonna add text. And make sure you guys are ready for tomorrow's. My video is gonna be about how to make a Warzone thumbnail, like how Swag does and all those pro players. We got this. Let's just type out. I could type out like finally or something. No, that's not how you spell finally. Finally. I'm just gonna press finally. And then you guys have the color. You guys can change the font. I usually go for go all the way down. So you guys can choose out whatever font, or if you guys have like a PNG of a font, you can add local font. Father and Son, that's probably my favorite font. Probably one of the best for thumbnails. And then you guys can get whatever color font you want. You can make it a gradient too. Like right here, you can make it a different colors. Like I might make it like, let's see, what color is the vibe? I might make it like this, because the Beetlejuice shirt kind of matches. And then you can change the size. Fine. What if I have that above it and it's a bit smaller? That would be nice. That kind of looks pretty cool. No, but I'm gonna keep it probably like, no wait, actually you guys can whoa. Wanna delete this? And then you guys can like change it to the side. Like I might have it like to the side, like over here. This is finally. Like right there. Something, so it's like kind of snuck in, or I might just keep it right there. Finally, I think that looks nice right there, but try not to add too much to your thing. You guys can add an outline if you want, which I'm probably gonna do. I'm gonna make it like another red. That looks kind of nice. And then you guys can add a shadow. You guys can go here. You guys can add like whatever color you guys want once again. Then you guys want to change the opacity to 100, and that looks very nice, or to me at least, it looks very nice. And you guys have your thumbnail. To be honest, that actually looks really, really good. Probably gonna use that for hopefully once I hit 1,000 subscribers. And I hope you guys did enjoy this video. But first, if you guys want to press File, Save, PNG, make sure it's 1280 by 720, and then you guys want to press Download. Then you download it, then you just add it to your thumbnail. So that's how you guys make a thumbnail without Photoshop. And make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks and stuff like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.